In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide your Instagram followers and following list. The most reliable way to do this is by making your Instagram account private, which limits who can see your followers, following, posts, and stories. I'll walk you through the process and share a few important notes so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening the Instagram app and heading to your profile. From there, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the main menu. Tap on Settings, then choose Privacy. Inside the Privacy section, you'll see an option labeled Private Account. Toggle that on, and when Instagram asks you to confirm, go ahead and approve the change. Once your account is private, only people you've approved as followers can see your followers and following lists. Anyone who isn't an approved follower won't be able to open those lists or view your posts and stories. This change applies immediately, and it also means that new people who want to follow you will have to send a request that you can accept or ignore. It's important to know that this privacy feature is designed for personal accounts. If you're using a business or creator account, the private account option won't be available, and there isn't a built-in way to hide your followers or following lists while keeping the account public. If visibility control is your priority, consider whether a personal account makes more sense for you. What if you only want to hide your list from specific people without making your whole account private? There isn't a direct setting for that on public accounts. Your options are to remove someone as a follower or use block or restrict to limit what a specific person can see or do. Removing or blocking is helpful if there are just a few individuals you don't want viewing your information, but keep in mind that your list will still be visible to everyone else if your account remains public. A quick recap: making your account private is the effective way to hide your followers and following lists from people who aren't approved followers. It centralizes your privacy, gives you control over who sees your content, and helps protect your activity from strangers. If you don't see the private toggle, you're likely on a business or creator account which doesn't support this feature. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips and tutorials.